We all dream of becoming a millionaire, don't we? But here's a secret. Forget stocks, forget real estate, forget gold. The real money is in, drumroll please, lottery tickets. Yes, you heard that right. Lottery tickets. Now before you scoff and dismiss this as lunacy, let's think about it for a second. The world of investing is a game of chances, isn't it? And what is a lottery if not the ultimate game of chance? In the world of stocks, you're playing against market trends, economic indicators, and fancy algorithms. In real estate, you're betting against market conditions, location, and timing. And in gold, well, you're at the mercy of international politics, global market fluctuations, and the whims of wealthy investors. Now compare all that to the humble lottery ticket. Here, your opponent is a simple machine, randomly drawing numbers. No need to understand complex market dynamics or pore over financial reports. Just pick your numbers, get your ticket, and cross your fingers. Of course I hear you say, but the odds of winning the lottery are astronomical. True, but remember, we're not talking about rationality here. We're talking about a dream, a hope, a shot at the stars. And sometimes, that's worth more than all the rational investment strategies in the world. Moreover, let's not forget that the lottery is, in essence, a social contract. It's a promise that, for a small fee, you get a chance to dream big. And who knows, maybe one day those dreams may come true. And if they don't, well, at least you've had some fun along the way. So, the next time you're considering where to put your hard-earned money, why not take a detour from the beaten path? Forget the stock market's ups and downs, the real estate market's unpredictability, and the gold market's volatility. Instead, consider the humble lottery ticket. It's simple, it's fun, and it's a chance to dream big. So, next time you think of investing, remember, your best bet might just be a $2 ticket from your local convenience store. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the broke elephant in the room, our country's financial situation. The financial landscape, a beautifully convoluted tapestry woven with threads of national debt, currency devaluation, and everyone's favorite inflation. It's like a never-ending episode of The Twilight Zone, only scarier because it's real. Let's start with our national debt. Picture this. You're on a sinking ship, and instead of plugging the hole, you decide to pour more water in. That's our national debt in a nutshell. It's like a runaway train with no brakes hurtling towards a cliff. The government's solution? Print more money, of course, because why stop a disaster when you can accelerate it? And speaking of printing money, let's talk about inflation. Inflation, my dear friends, is the invisible tax that we all pay whether we like it or not. You ever wonder why your grocery bill keeps getting bigger while your cart keeps getting emptier? That's inflation at work, my friends. It's the silent thief that sneaks into your wallet overnight and pilfers your hard-earned dollars. Then we have the government's financial policies. Oh, what a treat they are. It's like watching a series of unfortunate events unfold, only it's not fiction, it's our reality. One minute they're talking about boosting the economy, the next they're hiking up taxes. It's like trying to lose weight by eating more cake. And let's not forget about the stock market. It's a roller coaster ride that only seems to go down. You invest your savings, hoping for a return, but all you get is a stomach-churning drop. It's like playing a game of roulette, where the house always wins. So given the state of our economy, who can blame us for resorting to lottery tickets, huh? And let's not even get started on the job market, or should we? Yes, we should. Picture this. You're fresh out of college, diploma in hand, ready to make your mark on the world, but instead of a world of opportunities, you're greeted with a job market that's as stable as a house of cards in a windstorm. It's a whirlwind of resumes and interviews, with the promise of a well-paying job as elusive as a unicorn. You see, the traditional job market is like a hamster wheel. You run and run, but never really get anywhere, and the worst part, you're not even a hamster, you're a human being with dreams and aspirations, and yet here you are, stuck in the rat race. Oh, the irony. And then there's the college structure. The college structure. A magical place where you rack up debt faster than you can say, student loan, and emerge with a degree that's about as valuable as a chocolate teapot in the real world. You spend 4 years, learning things that you'll never use, only to realize that the real education begins once you leave the college gates. It's like buying a ticket to the Titanic, knowing full well that it's going to sink. And let's not forget about the American dream, the idea that if you work hard enough, you can achieve anything. Well, that's a great concept in theory. But when you're working 2 jobs just to pay the bills and still can't afford a decent standard of living, it starts to feel more like an American nightmare. So what's the solution? Well, some may suggest investing in the stock market, but let's be honest, that's about as predictable as a game of Russian roulette. So instead, we turn to the lottery. A beacon of hope in a sea of economic despair. Sure, the odds might be astronomical, but at least there's a chance. A chance to break free from the rat race and live life on your own terms. So, the next time someone asks why you're buying lottery tickets instead of job hunting, just tell them you're investing in your future. So here's a recap of our unconventional guide to financial freedom. We've taken a whimsical journey into the world of finance, where traditional investment strategies have been replaced by the allure of the lottery ticket. It's an amusing notion, isn't it? Trading Wall Street for a convenience store counter, swapping stocks for scratch-offs. We've painted a laughably grim picture of our nation's current economic climate, where the American dream seems more elusive than ever. The job market is less a ladder of opportunity and more a comedic circus act. But let's not forget the star of our show, the lottery. Despite its incredible odds, it holds a glimmer of hope for that life-changing windfall. It's a gamble, sure, but isn't all investing a bit of a gamble? And remember folks, the odds might be slim, but hey, someone's got to win the lottery. And who knows, it might just be you.